So here's a video of the Philodendron lemon lime I got this week from Etsy and Aaron at Reptile Plants. I just had to give him some shout outs for doing such a good job on packaging this philodendron. It was as good as the plant, really. I can't speak highly enough of him, and I will be going back to him more frequently based upon his packaging and care of his plants. You'll see a picture of the plant that I based my purchase on, and it looked great. So we'll see mine for the first time here. It had some tissue paper cushioning it. There were some bamboo stakes there that helped support the plant, helped keeping the top of the box from crushing it. One minor damage on a leaf there you'll see a little bit, but nothing major. This base was again secured to the bottom of the box. There was a hole in the middle of it to keep the plant there centered, and was taped in. As I get this plant out, you'll see that shortly. And then we have the plant itself was a 4-inch pot wrapped in plastic wrap really well. This plant was not dried out at all, wasn't limp, and really well watered. Once I got the plastic wrap and tape off, there was a little bits of tissue that were keeping the moisture in as well as the dirt. There's no dirt around in that box, so you'll see it now out of the box. Just a stunning plant, full of fantastic, vibrant color, healthy, no bugs on it whatsoever, no damage, no bent leaves. This just is a stunning plant. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like as it gets bigger. This measured probably, I want to say about 7 inches high, roughly about 9.5 inches, 10 inches across, and it's going to be a fantastic addition. There's a little bit more about Reptile Plants. Look for them on Etsy, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys soon.